once we get through this rain later this evening, we're going to start to see those skies begin to clear out overnight, and then the temperature is on the way up. So don't worry about it. All right, we do have some showers to talk about on radar right now. Do want to show you where those downpours are happening, basically from Manchester down to about Lowell here. You see that? So if you're traveling up 93, also around 495, and they continue just to the east of Framingham down to near Brockton, also down to Providence and Taunton, getting in on some of these. And all of this is lifting off to the east. We have seen some pretty impressive rainfall totals, anywhere from about a half an inch to an inch to even an inch and a quarter on the Vineyard. And that's where the heaviest rain really has fallen. It seems like southeastern Mass picking up the most in terms of totals. And we do have low-level clouds and some fog around, and that's going to be with us for the next couple of hours. And that's, of course, holding our temperatures down. So still in the 40s in most locations. Only exception is on Nantucket at 50 degrees. And as we go through the next 12 hours, say in Worcester, we're going to see those temps fall back into the 30s, and notice by about 5 o'clock, starting to see those skies beginning to clear out. I do think we're going to have some clouds around, though, for tomorrow and tomorrow afternoon. So for tonight, we drop back into the 30s to right around 40 degrees in Boston. But notice that I have those winds starting to crank up out of the west thanks to this area of low pressure and cold front coming through. It's going to really start to crank the winds through the overnight hours. And because of that, we have that wind advisory in place for all this area you see in tan beginning at 8 p.m. tonight, and it goes until 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. So the brunt of the wind will be with you for that ride into work. We could have wind gusts in excess of 50 miles an hour. Let me show you this on the timeline of the wind gusts. Notice at 10 o'clock they're starting to crank up, and about 8 o'clock in the morning we see wind gusts in excess of about 40 miles an hour on the Cape, as well as near 40-mile-per-hour winds in Worcester. And then tomorrow, we're going to warm up into the upper 40s, low 50s in Boston, believe it or not, but with that wind, it makes it feel a little bit cooler outside. So just to be aware of that. The big news is the temperatures are on the way up. By Wednesday, we're in the mid-50s. We don't have as much wind, so it'll feel a lot better outside. And as we head towards Thursday and Friday, we're back into the 60s. We should be running around 49 degrees this time of year. So we will take those warm temperatures. So here's how it all shapes up over the next 7 days. In the 50s, not only for tomorrow with the wind, 50s for Wednesday. On Thursday, we're going to see temperatures be very warm. In fact, 65 is the high, and maybe in Boston, but 67 in Fitchburg. How about 68 in Concord? It'll be nice with some sunshine. And then we're watching some rain coming in. This is going to come in overnight Thursday into Friday. It looks like Friday again will be a rain-filled afternoon. But the good news with this one is temps will be moderating in the 60s, so it's going to be a warm rain coming on Friday. The bad news, though, if you don't like the cold temperatures this weekend coming up, temperatures start to fall back into the 40s. Phil?